Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Power BI for Printix. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get Power BI up and running so you can gain valuable insights into your print environment. Let's dive in. First, you need to install Microsoft Power BI Desktop. For more information, refer to the documentation, which includes a link to the Microsoft Power BI website. Here, you can download the free Power BI Desktop. Once Power BI is installed, log into your Printix administrator account. From the main dashboard, navigate to the menu and select Software. Scroll to the Power BI section and select Power BI Template, PBIT. This will download the template. You can also access the Power BI template from the Analytics tab. Now, open Power BI Desktop. Select Open, and browse to the folder where you downloaded the Power BI template. When you first open the Power BI template, you must configure some parameters, such as the sheets per tree, cost of mono sheets, cost of color sheets, cost per sheet, and display currency. Next, connect to your Printix extracted data. You can connect to either the Printix or your own database. Based on where your data is stored, choose the appropriate option. In this example, we are configuring the Printix database. Now, enter your database credentials from the Analytics tab. The Power BI report is for one Printix home only and cannot be used to present data from multiple Printix homes. Each Printix home has its own database. The only credentials required to connect to the analytics engine in Printix are the username and password on the database. Click Connect for Power BI to connect to the Printix database and display the reports. This process can take some time, so please be patient. With the connection established, you can now explore the various reports available in Power BI. There are several different ways of filtering the report. You can search by user, by secure print job state, and more. You can narrow in the reporting by date range by actually going to the date range fields up here or moving the slider. To learn more about Power BI and how it's used, please refer to the documentation and use the resources provided by Microsoft. There are also lots of handy news groups and forums that explain how you can use and apply Power BI. The Printix Power BI report provides insights into your print usage, printers, print queues, and much more. Thank you for watching our tutorial on setting up Power BI for Printix.